Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Meta Quest 2 headset after pairing problems. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your Meta Quest 2 headset after experiencing pairing problems, start by ensuring your headset is charged. Connect the headset to a power source using the official charging cable. Wait for at least 30 minutes to make sure it has enough charge. Now, power on your headset by pressing and holding the power button until the indicator light turns on. Once the headset is on, locate the settings menu from the main interface. From the settings menu, navigate to the device section. Look for the Bluetooth options in the device settings. Select Bluetooth and check if your headset is currently paired with any devices. If it is paired, choose the device and select Forget to remove the pairing. Next, restart your Meta Quest 2 headset. To do this, press and hold the power button until the power off menu appears. Select Restart from the menu and confirm your choice. After the headset has rebooted, return to the settings menu. Go back to the Bluetooth section and enable Bluetooth if it is not already turned on. Now, grab your smartphone and launch the Meta app. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone as well. In the Meta app, tap on Pair New Headset to begin the pairing process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. If the headset successfully pairs, you'll receive a confirmation message. If pairing issues persist, perform a factory reset on your headset. To do this, turn off the headset completely. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until the boot menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the factory reset option. Select it using the power button and confirm your choice. Wait for the reset process to finish. After the factory reset, set up your headset as if it were new. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup and pairing process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.